Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the best wigs on Amazon in my opinion, and I'm so excited about it because even when I was going down the list, these are some bangers, okay? Some of these wigs are so good, you guys, and I'm so excited to share them with you. I'm going to put the information to each wig, the products I use, and the wig I'm wearing in the description and comments of this video if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, I hope you will subscribe. We are on the way to 24,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody who's already subscribed. Like I said, you guys, these wigs are not in any particular order, but they are some of the best ones on Amazon in my opinion. And these are going to be all synthetic lace front wigs. These are wigs that I've tried past and present. I'm going to let you guys see me in these wigs, and I'm going to talk about some of the main points of these wigs that make them make my best wigs list. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, you guys, jumping into the first wig. This wig makes me so excited because I absolutely loved the way that it looked when I tried it. And it's been so long since I tried it, so I'm so happy to bring it to y'all today. This wig is by the company Made Beauty, okay? I don't even know what year I tried this wig, y'all. I might put it on the screen, I might not. But this wig is the wig Holly, okay? This is a synthetic lace front wig. It comes styled as a middle part. And when I tell you this wig is giving, this wig looks so good to be synthetic. I remember when I tried this wig, I was literally so shocked. I didn't have like super high expectations about the wig. I didn't know much about the wig. And when I tried it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And one thing that I loved about it is that it didn't give a ton of tangling. And this is like a silky texture synthetic wig. It wasn't super silky to where it's just like, ew, but it was like, okay, I could do this. And it didn't have a lot of tangling. Like, this wig was super low maintenance. It didn't have a lot of tangling. It behaved very well, okay? It did what it was supposed to do, and it looked so good on me. That was another thing that I really liked about it, is that it looked really natural. Like, of course, this is not my hair, but it didn't look like super wiggy. I didn't have to do all this manipulation to get it to look the way it looked. It looked really good. I remember I cut the lace on it, and I have to link my review in the description, you guys, so you can see everything I did because it's been so long ago. But I do remember that it was super low maintenance and it looked so good, as you can see, okay? But yeah, I remember that it just was like one of those top tier, like hidden gems, I feel like, because I didn't see it all over the place. And I just really, really liked the way it looked and the way that it was easy to style, and the fact that it was given that, you know, it was a silky synthetic wig, but it wasn't like super shedding, super tangling. Like, it was really, really nice. So that's my first wig on this list, you guys. Alright, you guys, the next wig is one that I have tried this year, and honestly, I feel like this wig is so slept on. I did not know much about this wig either. It be them hidden gems, y'all, I'm telling you. This one is by Janet Collection. It's a part of their Melt Lace line, and this is the wig Paulina. Honey, Paulina is given a silk press. Like, this looks so good and natural. I could have really went in and glued this wig down, but I actually didn't glue this wig down at all. I'm wearing it glueless right here, and I honestly did like not a ton of work for this wig, and look how good. Look how, oh, well, y'all gonna see it. I don't know if y'all seeing the finished product yet, but look how good. Like, this wig literally looks so good. It's giving 90s silk press with the layers. Like, it's layered so beautifully. The density is not too much, especially if you live in a hot area right now. The density is good on it, and it looks so natural and so good, you guys. I love how it's layered. I love the way it laid on me, and I love that I'm wearing it glueless, so I had that option whether I wanted to glue it down or not. Y'all, this wig looks so good. It didn't give me a lot of shedding, and it didn't give me a lot of tangling, so we were good there, and it's super low maintenance in my opinion. So Janet Collection, wow. Like, I have not tried a lot of Janet Collection melt wigs. Like, I honestly don't know how many I've tried, but it's probably like less than 5 for sure. This one really impressed me and I was really happy with it, and it made me want to try more of them. So this is my second wig on the list, y'all. I feel like the list is full of winners already. We already are on number 2. Okay, so let's jump into the next wig. All right, you guys, the next wig, we're jumping into some color. Okay, we was keeping it simple and cute with the first 2 wigs, but now we are diving right into color, and this wig is by Sensational. And this wig, I love the color on this wig, and I love the cut and style on this wig. It's the middle part, and y'all know I'm not like a super middle part girl. I almost always, not always, but I oftentimes lean to the side part because that's where I'm comfortable most. I feel like that looks the best on me. But if a wig is in the middle part and I'm wearing it, that's how you know I really like it, because I feel like middle parts are hard to pull off, especially with synthetic wigs. So this one I styled as a middle part, you guys. I love the way that the cut is. I feel like the cut is unique. It's not like basic. I feel like it has a little bit of like dimension in it, and I love the way it falls as a middle part. I love that it has a hint of color, but it's still like calm. It's still like relaxed, if that makes sense. It's not like out there, and I just think it looks so good, you guys. It's so flattering. I love that it's not like a 1B or a 2, but it's still like a relaxed color, and it just looks so good. I love the way the highlights are in this color. I did have to do some work to this one. I think I did have to like tint the lace and all that stuff, but it was worth it. Like, this wig looks so good, so I feel like it was totally worth it. This next wig is oh my gosh, y'all, this is like in my top favorites of all time. Maybe. I would say of the last 5 years, for sure, it's top 5. Like, when I say this wig was so good, it was so good. So this wig is by Outre, and this is the wig Ella. Okay, I would say like super low maintenance after you do all your initial like, you know, tint the lace and all that stuff. I feel like this style is just a classic style. You could wear it to work, you could wear it to dinner, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it out with the girls, you can wear it at church. Like, it's just a classic style. The cut is not too long but not too short, so you get a little bit of length. It's really flattering the way it frames the face. I wore this as a side part, okay, and I had it in a natural color as well. So this wig was just like such a classic look. It was classic, it was cute, and one thing I liked about this wig, even when it got older and like, you know, like how synthetic wigs do, it got a little like frayed a little bit on the ends and stuff like that, I was able to brush this wig out, add some wig spray, and keep it pushed. And when you can do that with a synthetic wig, I definitely count that as a win. I would totally repurchase this wig. I think it looked so good, so flattering, and it was just a beautiful wig. Okay, you guys, the next wig is this wig is different, but I still really like this wig, and I feel like this wig would look even better in a more natural color. So this is by Outre, and this is the wig Patricia. Patricia is an older wig, and I also have shown it to you guys multiple times. So I recently did an update with you guys in a buyer band video showing you it. So I'm going to show you guys that footage. But as you can see, I really like Patricia for different reasons. Like the last wig I just showed you is because all about the look. It looked beautiful. It looked beautiful. It looked beautiful. Patricia is giving consistency. Patricia is giving a classic bob. And Patricia is giving low maintenance. This is like a messy curly bob. And what I like about it is that it's really not like, it didn't take much for Patricia, okay? One is like a bob style, kind of similar to this length, maybe just a little bit longer. It had like a little bit of, I feel like maybe it had like a little bit of asymmetric, but not too much to where it was unmanageable, meaning like one side was a little bit longer than the other one, but it worked. That might have just been how I had it parted, I don't know, but it worked for me, y'all, okay? And then also, Patricia had like these messy curls, so it was like, even if the wig was not looking like exactly like how these are curls are just like, you know, uniform, it worked and it looked so good, and that made it more low maintenance for me because I could just, you know, and keep it pushing, and I really liked that. And then also I really like the color. I believe this color was like the chocolate brown color, I'm not for sure, but I'll put the exact color in the description where you can find a wig. But the color, it was like giving a hint of color, kind of like the Braylon wig, a hint of color, but I'm not too outside the box. So I can wear this to church and to work, but I can also wear this to brunch and on a date. It's just like an all-around wig. Like, she's just hitting all the points. And it can be revamped in my opinion, so Patricia had to go on this list. That was part 1 of my best wigs on Amazon, you guys. I have tried so many wigs that are so good and are on Amazon, so I will hopefully consider continuing this series or this, yeah, series. You know what I'm saying. If you guys like this type of video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want to see more of this, and leave your comment down below and let me know which one of these wigs was your favorite. I will put the information to each of these wigs and the products I used in the wig that I'm wearing right now in the description of this video and in the comments if you guys are interested. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!